here. He's here. Show your hands! Get down on the ground, do it now! Get down on the ground! No! Sheriff's office! Keep your hands on your pocket. Keep your hands on your back. Come on. You guys come up.
After being taken into custody, it was discovered Chad had brought a fresh bag of Chick-fil-A and contraceptives with him for the fictitious girl he believed to be real.
You got anything on you? Any kind of weapons? No. Knives, ideas? Poke me, stab me. You got close one? Okay, stand up. We're going to check the vehicle.
Yeah.
Camera. In your waistband? No. Hurt your stance. Yeah, that's it. So you can on me?
5120 on mortgage, you copy, one custody.
Joel, we're good with yours? Yeah. Got a car keys? Hey, I'm gonna double lock this real quick. Just face the sweater.
Yeah, just a little bag with really stuff in it. Yeah, keys and condom.
Let's relax your hands.
What's that? I don't know what you're saying. One separate bags. We'll take that later too.
Anything else on you that we need to know about? Anything sharp, any weapons, anything like that? I know we just searched you. You're only high power, so that's
did you throw his key fob in it?
Yeah, you're right.
So who's gonna, what? Who's gonna play it? Can we, seriously, get something ready? Yeah, we can, yeah, right.
Let me take a cigarette here. Just watch your water. That's the work one.
Yeah, that works.
You guys still rolling? You shut off. You still rolling?
The sheriff later made a public statement saying, based upon their tireless efforts and investigative skills, the sheriff's office and the FBI were able to arrest yet another sickening pedophile hoping to sexually abuse a child. The sheriff's office will never waver in its duty to protect the community, especially children. Chad was charged with felony using a computer to facilitate a child sex crime. On top of that, he also received a $200 citation for operating while suspended. Ultimately, his cash bond was set at $25,000 with conditions that prohibited him from having any contact with underage females. The driver was soon identified as a 41-year-old female named Dina.
registration? Do you have any form of identification? Nothing? You speak? You don't speak to me, okay? Any type of identification on you? Do you have a birth certificate, registration? Anything on order, check. No? What's your first name? What's your first name? What? Nina. Oh, listen to you. Just your car. What are you going to influence of? Alcohol or drugs? Nope. You're going to kill somebody, buddy. No? What's horrible? You ain't turn the car off for me. I got no trust you at this point, okay?
It was discovered her driver's license was suspended on several occasions, and the vehicle was not registered.
I got one. You have nothing on that. It's got your name on it. No. Okay, well, the tag doesn't come back to the car, so what's the car come back to? Cool. You're kind of not helping me out any, so I can't do much for you. I hurt that at all. Yeah, where you that? Who knows? We're not going around. You ain't getting me. Maybe they'll jump down, let you jump the curb and go over.
I heard the siren.
Preventive, are you okay?
No, I was in town.
Preventive for crashing here, jump off the curb. I'm not your house, I still wonder where you are. No, I know what's going on.
What's your birthday?
She would have killed somebody.
I see the front row. She saw.
She found something wrong. I couldn't stop on the bridge.
Oh, yeah.
Stop her transaction. Well, why didn't she jump the curb? I couldn't stop her on the bridge. I couldn't stop her on the bridge. She would kill somebody up there. You really have a force me. I've got a clear.
I walked off the side. Absolutely. I just told her, I said, is that your landscape number? She wrote it.
She didn't get it.
Your landscape number? Oh, yeah. So, yeah. I talked to traffic. She's like, yeah, the landlord put all this in. Yeah. What's that?
I have literally never been
This drunk?
off.
Well, make sure you don't kill anybody. That's why we stopped you really, okay?
Right.
Alright, cool.
I have never been.
Arrested for DUI?
No.
What's your hat?
Is that what you're talking about?
I'm talking about that. You went to pull over? If you turn back in the traffic.
Is that what you got the sign again?
Turn back in the traffic and she rolled up on the curb.
Oh, shit.
Coming back in.
Oh, so you got that? Yeah. So you're talking to Kane's guy in there?
Yeah, she would pull up on here. She was in for it.
That's nice. That's crazy.
Pedophile.
What?
Y'all let pedophile.
Then you say Mark Cannon did something. Make sure that you are not under the influence and you're okay. Okay?
No. You're under the influence.
Not today, though. I didn't say that. Again, I just want to make sure you're not under the influence and you can drive. That's it.
No.
Make sure you're okay drive. That's it. I guess I'm going to check you out, okay? What are you going to say?
Okay, look. Let me tell the truth.
What?
Shit.
What? Nah, don't worry about that. Why do you think of that? Okay, we'll talk again. One second. I don't know what you're saying.
Subsequently, the deputy requested for a DUI traffic unit to arrive and carry out an investigation.
Sorry, man. That was all on citrus. What's up? What do we get for being 5 people short, man?
Just gotta talk to her in front of her.
What's your job report?
9,000 things with PC.
9,000 things we see? Okay, it's all over the place.
What's out there if you have it? Trust me.
Alcohol or drugs?
Okay, it's hot out of the high reaching car turn off car. But I'm seeing alcohol.
Hello? Hey, John Dave. Deputy David, the sheriff's office. The deputy stopped me back there, the sergeant stopped me back there because you're short all over the road, he said. Guess a bunch of people were calling you in saying you're hitting the curb. What's going on? You feel okay? What's wrong? You have any medical issues? Will you be able to tell me? Can you talk? What's going on with you today? Been drinking this morning, huh? I'm just trying to talk to you and you're not talking to me. I can't hear you. No what? Do you have any medical issues? I'm not blaming you for anything. Can you zip your shirt up for me and then step out of the car?
Oh, yeah. Hold on.
Appreciate it. What's your first name? Well, I'm not gonna call you that. I'm just gonna walk up into the parking lot for me. Can you walk over there, kind of where the handicap sign is? Okay. Well, I'm not calling you that.
Oh, well.
All right. Where are you going? Can you sit still? All right, talk to me for a minute. Do you have any medical issues at all?
Yeah.
Diabetic, epileptic? You have seizures?
I have time.
You have a ton? What kind of medical
You know
issues do
what?
you have?
I'm not doing this. You're not going to say here. I'm not doing this.
You're not doing what? You're not gonna have a conversation with me?
No, I'm not going to say here.
Okay, just based on my initial observations and you not being willing to talk to me.
No, those are your observations.
Right.
I'm a fan and you don't care.
Well, that's not what I said.
That's exactly.
And that's not what I'm here for. I'm here to find out if you're too intoxicated to drive a motor vehicle.
No, I never asked them to do that.
To do what?
To alter my. I can't.
All right, can you tell me what kind of medical issues you have?
Yeah.
You want to take your shoes off? No? Ask you to do some standardized field sobriety tests. Can you do that for me? No? Okay. What's going on in your hair there? No hair there. You got no hair there. Let me have your wrist here. Go ahead and pull them together for me. Put your palms together. Hang just like that for me for a minute, okay? I'm placing you under arrest for DUI. You're not complying with anything that I'm asking you to do. Can you tell me if you have any medical conditions that I need to get checked out before we take a ride? Are you diabetic or anything? If you don't want to talk to me, that's okay. Is there anything inside the vehicle that you need to bring with us? Okay. Any medication, anything like that in there? You have Becky 51 just about her down?
I can't see that close at me.
She was right. She was right down the street. She wasn't far.
If she's far, right?
What we're gonna do is we're gonna go to my car because it's hot. I'm gonna put you in the AC and then we'll get you checked out and on the way here shortly. Okay? You're not really on. I don't want her to take a spill. What do you say? Thank you. Yes. Yeah. Half the age. Alright. You don't have to tuck all the way in there. I'm just gonna sit you down. That way I can give you some AC because it's super hot out here. Alright. Turn and face me. Turn and face me. Step this way towards the door and then just sit straight back. Okay? Let me get you some AC. Okay? Put your legs in there. Hopefully, I don't want you to be without AC. There we go. You're fine. It's on now.
During the journey to jail, Dina cried hysterically, screamed, and displayed a lack of self-control due to her notably high level of intoxication. The odor of alcohol in the deputy's patrol car became so lethal, it forced him to switch his climate control to outside air and crack his window for relief.
Get to the jail. I'm gonna ask you for a drug test, okay? Ask you for like
No. I don't give a shit. I have my fucking son in the fucking Marine. I never broke a law. I never hurt anybody. No.
She was then brought into the DUI room once they arrived at the jail.
All right, Dina, what are you doing? Just leave it. We'll get out in a little bit.
Good for you. Don't ever read.
Nobody said that about you.
Bullshit, dude. Yourself. I'm not going to sit here.
Look up, Dina, on the side of the road back there, you refused to do any field sobriety tests. Are you willing to do those now?
That is absolutely untrue as to what happened.
Okay, tell me your version of what happened then.
You guys tried to vault for. You guys wanted to make me. Yeah, you're right. I can't.
So when I came into contact with you, I was called here to do a DUI investigation because the person that pulled you over thought you might be intoxicated.
No, that's not what happened. No, actually.
So do you want to tell me what you think happened?
No, you were contacted to.
Dina, are you willing? I'm asking you now. Are you willing to complete some field sobriety tests? I got camera here, so you're covered.
You refused to. This has nothing to do with why I was pulled over. Why was I pulled over, sir?
You were asking me why you were pulled over?
Yeah, sir.
The sergeant was behind your vehicle, and you were swerving all over the place, and you almost hit some officers that were on another crash scene. And then you pulled over, and then swerved back into traffic. And then when you pulled over, you pulled up onto some rocks and hit a rock.
So you have that documentation, yes?
Yes.
You have.
That's documented, yes.
You have that.
And then the sergeant made contact with you at your driver's window, made observations, smelled alcohol, and that kind of thing, and then called me to come do an investigation. And when I got there, you didn't want to talk to me, and you were cursing at me.
And why did I not want to talk to you, sir?
I don't know.
What did you say to me?
I asked you general questions. I asked you what
why did I not want to say to you, sir?
All right. So
I'm asking you a question.
What I'm going to ask now is I'm going to ask you if you'd like to.
I'm going to ask you,
yeah,
which is a question
sure.
I'm legally allowed to ask you.
Okay.
What did you ask me?
It's on video. I can go back and review it. I asked you to step out of the car.
What did you ask me?
I asked you to step out of the car, Dina. That's why I asked you.
Sir.
Yes.
Again.
I asked you to step out of the car.
What did you ask me?
What are you alluding to? I'm telling you. I'm answering your question, and I've answered it about 4 times in a row.
No, you asked me that 4 times. Yeah.
Do you want to conduct field sobriety exercises in here, or no? So yes or no? Are you willing to perform standardized field sobriety tests? Yes or no? Is that a no? Okay, so I'm going to take that as a no. I'm now offering you an approved test of your breath for the purpose of determining the alcohol content. Are you willing to take the test?
Okay, so.
Are you willing to take the breath test?
Are you willing to acknowledge the sobriety test from my...
I'm going to read you implied consent, okay?
I'm done.
Have a seat, Dina. I'm not playing with you. Sit down. If you refuse to take this test, I request that your driving privilege will be suspended for a period of 1 year for a first refusal.
Guess what? It was already done.
Okay. So essentially, if this is a subsequent refusal, it's going to be suspended for 18 months.
Yeah. It's not official.
Driving privilege has ever previously been suspended, which it has, or you were previously fined.
And why? Why?
Let me finish, okay?
No.
Any criminal proceeding. Do you understand what I just read?
Why?
You're going to get an additional misdemeanor charge if you don't.
Answer. What did you say?
That's the legislative law. That's the textbook law. It has nothing to do with me.
Good.
I'm a fact reporter. I'm trying to read you your rights.
Good.
Okay. So are you willing to take the breath test?
Good.
Yes or
Why
no?
don't you just answer what I just asked you?
You're asking me why you have to do this?
No. I'm asking you, what the fuck are you fucking hell fucking liable for this shit?
Because you were the one driving the car intoxicated.
What the fuck? That I was fucking... You don't get it? Wait, you don't get what you guys fucking No, do you understand how vile and bullshit this entire thing is? You get it?
No.
Really? You get it?
So you want to provide a breath sample? With your right to mind, I read you implied consent. You want to provide a breath sample?
My mother?
Mm-hmm.
My mother?
Yep.
My mother?
Mm-hmm.
You hear me?
I'm listening to what you're saying.
You listen?
Uh-huh.
What's the course of that?
Okay. I don't care.
Guess what?
Yeah, I don't care.
She doesn't run hard for like, guess what?
That's good for her.
Good for you.
Yeah.
Yeah. She really got.
That's not what I'm here for, though.
Yeah, no, you're not.
No.
That's not awkward.
No. Story time is over now.
Yeah, sorry.
So what I need to know is if you're willing to take the breath test.
No.
Let me see.
No.
Okay. So I read you implied consent. You still don't want to take the test. You
I
understand?
don't say anything. You say,
Okay.
blah, blah, blah. It's all.
Okay. Time of refusal is
Blah, 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 blah.
11:99.
I don't say human being has no.
Right, can you go ahead and sit down? Come with me.
That's your assertion now, so.
Yep.
He has
Go ahead and come out here with me.
He has no jurisdiction. He is.
Put your shoes on, let's go. Do you want me to go get a pile of people to come in here to do it against your will, or do you want to do it on your own? Okay, I'll grab them, no problem. That's going to be uncomfortable for you. Yo, you don't want to move if somebody wants to help me grab her. You don't want to move.
No, he's a liar.
No, never move.
No, he's a liar.
Yeah.
No, he's a liar. He's a liar.
Ma'am? Ma'am, kid, we got to go to cell, hold this cell 174, please. Will you stand up for me, please? Can you walk that way, please? Thank you.
Right this way, ma'am.
No, we need you. I'm going to ask you to walk that way, please. Thank you. Keep walking, man. Thank you, gentlemen.
Dino was charged with misdemeanor counts of driving under the influence. Second offense, refusal to submit to testing, failure to register a motor vehicle, and driving with a suspended license. Second offense. At the time of this incident, she was also out on a $200,000 bond for theft and fraud charges. Ultimately, her cash or surety bond for this incident was set at $150,000.
So, Logan, I'm going to have you take your hands out of your pocket, man. Put your hands on your back, you're under arrest for stop here. Stop! Right now, you're under arrest! Stop right now! Stop! Can't you trying to get us serving? Stop right now! Stop! Drop the gun! Drop it! Drop the gun! Drop it! Let's go. And then walking in there, and then we'll work it.
I don't think county has any canine units on it. It looks like you just might have squeezed off around towards the storage place.
That's all the riders on the ground.
I just took shots fired.
How far? How far? Over. Get safe cover, safe cover. Shots to the ground right next door. All right, guys. You ready? Yep. All right, moving up. Keep going, keep going! My big three shots have been fired. There's a couple more units over here. Sergeant, suspect is down. We have not confirmed what the weapon is.